What brings you to my house? Well, wait, what do I have for you?
Oh, nothing. I'm alright. Just came to have a hand-to-hand discussion with you on issues that bother me most.
I hope it has nothing to do with your wife's inability to get pregnant.
What, brother? What could bother a man more than when he has no offspring who will represent him on earth when he's gone?
Dillion. I have told you that there is more to life than having children. Besides, you just got married.
Wait. Michael, you call marriage that has lasted for more than 4 years just married?
No, Dillion, no. Look, what I am trying to say is, maybe it's not yet God's time for you in your marriage yet, but definitely the time will come.
When? That's the problem. When will the time come? I believe this has become a general slogan. When will I have my own child? Huh? Must I continue to wait on God's time to come before I have my own child? When the doctor said that I'm perfect. My wife is also perfect.
Dillion, come on, don't blaspheme, okay?
Please don't kill me, please. Don't kill me.
What is the matter with you?
Did you not have family? You have children?
Well, what's that supposed to mean?
You have Junior. You have baby. You have the whole family. God has been so benevolent to you. Why can't I have my own child?
Why are you talking like this? Look, all I'm asking you is for you not to blaspheme. That's all. What is the matter with you? Come on, stop this. God's time is always the best.
Stop telling about God's time, please. Please.
Just be patient. Dillion, be patient.
That's what everyone keeps telling me. God's time, God's time, God's time. With God's time, you want children for me. Really?
Dillion.
Crying. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I spoke to you the way I did. You know, you don't expect me to feel the same. To me, I feel that my world is torn apart with our immediate problem.
Thank God you call it our immediate problem. That makes me involved. Look, Dillion, you don't feel half as bad as I feel. I'm the one whose ox is Godhead. Everyone in the village calls me man and fruitless idiot like you used to.
It's okay. So that you just don't expect me to feel it the same way after 4 years of marriage without a child. Sometimes when I visit my friends and watch them play with their children, I ask myself, why is mine different? Why can't I have one of those? I am perfect. You know it. And the doctor said that you're perfect too. So why can't we have a perfect kid like other couples? Huh?
God's time is not yet.
Don't talk about God's time now. I waited for this time for 4 good years and it never arrived. See, Benita, I need a child. I need what? A child. And I'm giving you 10 months. If you don't give me a legitimate child, I will send you packing and then get in another wife.
I don't want to see you with those little boys again, okay?
Chief, I told you that he was just a twister. What can I be doing with that little rat?
Well, this is 20,000 naira.
Just for me?
Yes, take this.
Thanks, Chief.
Don't worry, just for a start.
You're man of few words, but full of action.
You are the one that you are an action-packed lady.
Really?
In fact, what I saw last night, honestly, oh my God. I went through something. You really took me into a different world. Look, I am going to explore that very territory tonight.
Chief, don't worry.
Yeah.
Anytime, any day, anyway, I'll give it to you, okay?
Yes.
So see you tomorrow.
Yes, baby.
Take care.
Thank you.
Good night.
Yes.
Drive it carefully.
Thank you.
Our mom has been complaining about your behavior, which is not something to write home about. Why have you chosen to rub the face of this family to the mud? Sister, what is it? She said that different kinds of men comes there to pick and drop you all the time. Me? You can't even deny it. At least I've seen two. Sister, they're my schoolmates. They normally give me right, that's all. I don't know who they are, and I don't care to know. All I'm saying is that you have to stop it. I won't never live the wayward life. Stop it. I've heard. Say I don't even have a boyfriend. No, it's I that have. Be careful. HIV is real. Okay, sis. Oh, you're gonna come on. Tell her I'm leaving before my husband will start looking for me.
Benita, what is it? What is it? I left the master's bedroom for you. I came to this visitor's room to sleep now. I have peace. You wouldn't even allow me to have the peace. Please, I am tired and I need to sleep. Which of the two sentences did you not understand?
You gave me 9 months to give you a legitimate child, or I'll lose you. I love you so much, I cannot afford to lose you. Please, let's do it. It will work. Please, I beg you. Let me see if God will not answer me and heal my broken heart.
For the past 8 months, I've been doing this same thing that you are asking and disturbing me to do now. No results. Do you want me to die on top of you before you know that you are a witch and cannot produce a child? Benita, just give me something. A monster, an imbecile. Let me know that I can produce life. Let people feel it that I can produce life.
You can give life. A normal baby, not a monster or imbecile. It's not our portion.
Then what is our portion? Carelessness?
I beg you, let's do it.
Stay away from me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Oh God. Oh God. child to move to the world and I'm not married. God, please, I need a child. I need a child. I need a child to move to the world. I need a child. I need a child. All I need is one. I need a child.
Again. Benita, you've been frequenting your mother's house these days. What's up?
Why are you asking me what's up? Don't you notice how disturbed I am for not giving you a child? Who else do I have to share my problems with if not my mother?
Good morning, Julia.
Yes, what can I do for you?
I came to see Benita.
I'm very sorry you cannot see her now. She's resting upstairs and cannot see anyone now. You have to go and come back in 3 days. By then, she'll be fit to see people.
Dillian, I know how you're feeling about this her inability to give you...
You see the problem? Every one of you seems to know how I feel, but none could make a difference. Bruce, what I need is a child and nothing more.
Dillian, can I see her now, please?
No. By the way, how did you come?
Well, she called last night.
What?
Yes, asking me to bring some pain-relieving tablets and balm.
You know what? I want you to get up now and leave my house.
What?
Yes. Get up and leave my house.
Dillian, has it gotten to this?
Yes, it has gotten to this. And if you don't want to do that, I will come.
He refused to allow you to see her?
Yes, ma'am.
You know what? Let me just go in there, dress up, get... I don't need to dress again, I'll just pick my bag and I'll go and see his mother. Hmm?
Mama, I'd like to go with you.
I'd like to go with you. So I'll wait for you to do all this your makeup.
I'm ready, Abi.
I'm off to the father. I'm just...
I'm sorry I laid my hands on her. But I don't see the reason why she can't control her mouth over what happens in my own house.
I understand your point. But that's unmanly. It's barbaric for one to beat his fellow human being, let alone your wife.
Gideon, you were not brought up like that. Since your childhood, have you ever seen your father scold nor beat me? Huh?
No, Mom. I have not.
That's because your father is civilized. Let me tell you. When I married your father, it took us 6 years before we could give birth to you. And after all these years, there was joy. You were just married for 4 years. Just 4 years.
Mom, my friends mock me. They mock me in their minds. I feel so much humiliation everywhere I go.
Stop frustrating this girl over what she doesn't know about. Stop it.
Mama, what's up? How's everything? In respect to the issue on ground, I said I should just give you this advice. If I were you, with my name at stake, I think I'll just have to take another one.
See, taking another wife is not the problem. From what the gynecologist said, both of us are perfect. So what could be the problem? I need a child, man. I need a child.
Okay, now, why don't you start up a relationship out and see if the person is going to give you a child?
God forbid. Come on, Ralph. My culture forbids that. Besides, impregnating another girl outside wedlock makes my child a bastard.
Okay. So, what's the next line of action?
Come on, Ralph. Oh, you know what? I think if Benita is out of the house, I can find a way to explore, try to fix this.
Well, let me think about it too.
Then let me walk towards that. Yeah, thanks. Call you later.
See you around.
Abba, Father, I call you, Lord. Father, I need a child. Lord, he said in your word, oh Lord, that none shall be barren in thy land. He said that none shall cast thy young, Father. Every spirit of barrenness, oh Lord, Father, break it in the mighty name of Jesus. Zika, Lord, in anyone that is coming in from the east, from the west, oh Lord, Father, break it in the mighty name of Jesus. He said your word and anyone that wish me evil, that desire my heart, Father, let that person be destroyed. Let that person be put to shame, Lord. And you will, Father, destroy them in the mighty name of Jesus. Please, on everywhere I stand.
I beg you in the name of this same God that you're worshipping. Stop asking for what you cannot get. Let me sleep, please.
I need a child, Mama. Anyone that is coming every Father, this moment destroy. And I didn't try to look to the one that I'm not married. Every spirit of barrenness, anyone that
I said I need to sleep. Stop disturbing my sleep now. What kind of nonsense is this?
Lord, I need a child, I need a child.
What nonsense? Stupid girl. You cannot continue to live with somebody who cannot give me even a single son or daughter. There's nothing you do in my house than feed. Shit, so what you've been doing in my house for?
My lord. Hold on now, my lord.
What is it?
What is the matter?
Nothing is the matter except that I'm tired of living with a woman who has no womb.
What do you mean she has feelings? Please take it easy now. Take it easy, please. Better stop crying.
Madam, please, I am tired of living with her. Take your daughter back.
It's not done like that, Nama. You know, take it easy. It's
okay.
Just take it easy.
See,
my in-law, we can... Benny, stop crying. He's a stupid man. Who does he think he is? A man who could not even perform it and hand it on his wife. Stop crying. Stop crying. Who said you don't have food? Who said you do not have food? What is the meaning of all this? It's okay. Sit down. It's not God. Is he God? Stop crying. All hope is not lost. Don't be bothered about what your husband just did now. Okay? Men are just like that. They always find a way to beg their inabilities. So leave him, let him go. All I know is that you are a very good child that any mother will be proud of. Okay? One thing I know is that one day that your husband will come back to ask for you. Oh? Wipe your tears.
Thank you, Lord. It's everything.
Because you're a good child.
Hello. Hi, Benita. How are you? What? You mean Dylan sent you out of his house? This is unbelievable. Why would he do a thing like that? Oh, okay. Where are you now? Good. You know what? Just give me today and tomorrow. I'll get to see him. I'll surely talk some sense into him. Okay. And please tell your mother not to misunderstand his actions. Okay? It's alright. Don't cry. Come on. It's alright. Don't... Look, I'll surely talk to him, okay? It's alright. Okay. Bye.
Why did you send Benita, your wife, home?
Who told you.
That's not the question. Why did you send her back to her parents? Huh?
Mom, I cannot continue to live with my fellow man under the same roof.
What did I hear you say? Dylan, you were a disappointment. I'm ashamed of you. Look, let me tell you, that girl is a full-fledged woman. There's nothing wrong with her.
Then let her prove it.
Don't you ever raise your voice at me. For information, I'm going there to bring her back to this house.
Mom.
Alright?
Don't ever do that, because if you do that, I am going to kill her in this very house and marry another.
Hi! Dylan, I'm disappointed. If I had slept and woke up and seen you by my side when I get back to you, I would have said you're not my son. Because you know well like your father. Nonsense. I'm going to bring her here. Let me see what.
Mom, don't ever try that. Hey! Hey!
Yes, doctor.
Come here! Who told my mother that I sent my wife home? Eh? Don't try to lie to me now because she told me everything.
Sir, I did need to obey her. She told me the last time she came to always call and tell of anything that happens to your wife.
And you pay loyalty to my mother instead of me, your boss? Huh? Okay. Just go upstairs. Get to your room. Pack your things. You're leaving my house this minute.
Please. Sir, please, don't sack me. I'm the only daughter. I don't want to go back to that village. I don't want to go back to the... Please, don't happen again. I promise. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Now get up. Now listen to me. Next time you do this kind of thing, huh? I won't forgive you.
Thanks, sir.
Dillian, Benita called and told me that you sent her home. Why would you do a thing like that?
Well, because I can no longer live under the same roof with a woman who has failed to prove her virtues.
Dillian, sometimes you surprise me. You really do. Dillian, do you know that sometimes you talk as if you do not know God? I have told you repeatedly that God has a purpose for everything. Do not mock God by what?
Tell me, Michael. By what? There is no way I have not asked God to give me this child, which He sees as an all-seeing God that I desire most. Is that something too hard for God to do for me? A man that the doctors have certified potent.
Dillian, from experience, I know of couples who have been married for more than 8 years before their time came. Yours is just less than that. Yours is just 4 years old.
And then? Wait, are you saying that I should wait for up to 8 years before I have my own child?
No.
Is that your wish?
No, I'm just urging you to be patient.
So it is your wish that I remain childless?
Dillian, don't get me angry, don't.
You deserve to be more angry, Michael. You deserve to be more angry. If you that I call my own brother wish me childlessness, then I ask God to deny you all that you have and all that you are yet to get. There will be no cause of joy around you. Shut up, Dillian. Shut up! Shut up, Michael!
If not for the blood ties, I would have knocked you down right here and now.
Then you dare me! You dare me! Thank God that you have exposed yourself. Okay. So you are the one that tied my wife's womb so that she could not conceive.
Huh? I don't have a reason to do such an abominable thing.
I am blessed with my own kids, you know. So that is no reason why you should do what you did. Michael, I urge you, please, untie my wife's womb so that she could bear me children. And if you are thinking that after my death, that you will stand to possess our father's lands in the village and assets in the city, then you better have a rethink, because my ghost will hunt you down.
Dillion, you are my brother. Why should I do that?
I am not your brother. We are of the same father, but different mothers.
Dillion! Dillion!
Honey, what is going on? I saw Dillion walking out angrily. Is anything the matter? Honey, talk to me. What is the problem now? Ouch. What is it now? What's happening?
What are you saying exactly?
I am pregnant. Pregnant for you.
How many persons are aware of this?
No one.
Not even your mother?
You don't expect me to tell her a thing like that. If she asks me who's responsible, what do I say?
Tell her that it is I, Chief Morris Odwa.
God forbid. Uncle, it's a taboo.
Look, let me remind you that I am not bloodly related to your father, and that we are
Is she who needs her to be examined? Oh, my God. You've been engulfed in your thoughts. What is eating you? Paddy, I've been watching you for the past few days. You've never been the same. What is it? I said nothing is wrong with me. Why are you being so curious? You are pregnant. Me? Mind your words. If you press any further, I will tell Mom about your recent vomits. I'm sorry. I didn't know how it happened. Please don't tell Mom or anyone about it. Please. I'll remove it very soon. It's just that these fools have refused to give me money to terminate it. Please. I'm dying in silence. Can you lend me 5,000 naira? I'm the one who is dying in silence. Ever since I came back and noticed you're pregnant, I feel a surge of a new dawn flush through my frustrated hope. I've been living in my husband's house for 4 years without a child to show for it. And right now, I'm at the verge of losing a home I suffered to build for more than 1,000 days. Benny, you're crying. Look, I should be the one doing this. I'm the person in trouble, not you. I wish I'm in your kind of trouble. If you see me in a pit of about 100 feet deep, and you're the only one to save me, will you find a way to pull me out?
Of course I will. You know you're my twin sister.
What if the pit might consume me?
We die there.
I've been in that pit for more than 4 years. And you're the only one in position to help me. Can you?
Wait, what are you saying? That I should replace you in your husband's house? Never. I will not do that. Excuse me.
Certain things are meant to be kept secret, not to be said at all. Just like what you just said. Yeah. Tell me, when would I fall in love with you? You're beautiful. Check out your legs. You're so beautiful. Tina, wake up. Tina, wake up, it's morning.
What kind of nonsense is this? Please don't disturb me again. I'm tired.
God. Hey, Tina. Now, wake up. Listen to me like you never did before. Next time, speak to me that way. Idiot. Now, will you get up from that bed? Now. Now, will you get into that bedroom and take a bath?
Honestly, this is a very sad situation we have here.
A desperate one. Man, I need a child. I need a child.
I know. But that's not enough reason for you to jump into women the way you're doing now. You know, since you said the doctor confirmed that both of you are medically okay, you would have stopped with Benny.
Please, Raf. Don't spoil the good moment we are sharing now. I need a child and she can't give me one. So what's the need of keeping her in the house?
Oh, don't talk like that.
Huh? Let us forget this and discuss something better, please.
Well, if you say so.
You are telling me it's not enough. It's not. That's because you are not married yet.
Okay.
Wait till you get married to Dora. Let her not give you a child. Let me see if you will be blissful about it.
It's okay. There's no point being offensive about anything. It's okay. I'm not hungry. I'll eat later.
What is it? What is wrong with you? You've not even said anything since you came back today. Okay, whatever it is, we can talk about it later. But now, let's go and eat.
Honestly, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. I'll go ahead and drink.
What is it?
It's about my friend.
Which deal?
The doctor.
So, what about him?
Slave. Billionaire, my friend, has lived with Benny for 4 years now. Without an issue. So it's really troubling me.
That is so sad. Brother, that's another man's problem. I don't think you should be taking drugs for another man's headache. This is fight. Let him fight his cause.
But that's fun.
Yeah.
Sweet food, you want food.
It's okay. You know, what Tanisha is saying is true. But you also have every right to be upset he's your friend. But you also have to eat. So come. Let's go eat.
Wow.
Okay.
What do we have here?
Yeah, right. That man is mean. He's mean.
All I know is that I can't have carryover.
Who you talk about carryover?
Whether he likes it.
I don't think get carryover. I know
You're talking about having carryover in that course.
me. I cannot have carryover. I can.
In
this school,
I can't even have one.
That is my. Who they talk about carryover?
I think from here, we should go and eat before the next lecture.
There goes. I don't think so. I won't go for that lecture. So
Wait.
Yes, now wait. I get gist from. Hey, I get gist. Okay, now. Guess the gist I won't give. How about I talk? That's this my brother friend and a very wealthy young man. But he's looking for a child.
Let him get married.
Married.
Or is anything holding him?
It's not that he's not married. Just that he's been married to a kind of wood woman who couldn't give him a child for 4 good years. I mean, 4.
Yeah.
The guy is wealthy. Wealthy. When I mean wealthy, on no man.
Please, Alisa, please. Can you give me this number?
My girl, you too much.
Tell me, what's your game plan?
See you. Who no one become wealthy? As in, who no one become comfortable? I better give me the guy number if you're sure he is rich.
Before you say, I hope he's a fine guy.
Wait, even if the guy himself now, Juju, all we need the number. I beg the number, Alicia. Number now. Alicia. Put number first. Put number. You mean say you want to do now? Sharp like this. Hey. So you don't want to become comfortable, eh?
I want to, but you know that they take rush.
Alicia, put number and number we want.
Okay, no? Because I see that. What about his name? The way you call him, go tell and say you sabi me, oh. I don't know. Why you dey dodge now? I don't know. Why you dey dodge? Your name na Dino. I forget that. The only thing wrong with you.
Hello. Hi. Jobina, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm in my office right now. Yeah. Can you meet me in the house?
You want me to buy this? For you or for me? Mom is back. Hi, darling.
How are you?
Hi, how are you?
You guys are just chilling out.
You can see that.
Yeah.
How was it?
I'm fine. Dad, guess who I saw?
Who?
Dylan. I saw him at Crutches today.
It's been ages, months since I last saw him.
You can't believe what I saw. I saw him in the midst of girls. About 4 of them.
Are you sure?
They were just all over him in such an open place. Honey, I hope I didn't say anything wrong. Are you okay?
No. Maybe he has decided to look for it somewhere.
Look for what? What do you mean by that?
Look, darling. The last time Dylan was here, he accused me of tying his wife's womb. Maybe he has decided to look for a girl who will get pregnant for him.
Oh my God.
Dylan, this is not good for you.
Oh God. I mean, why on earth should it take such a wild decision?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Jesus. Hello, Dillion. Yes, my wife just told me that she saw you today in the midst of girls, 4 of them. Dillion, this is not the solution to your problem. Look, Dillion, you're mature and I believe experienced. Why don't you call back your wife? Well, I just want you to... Hello? Hello? He hung up on me.
I hope this won't bother you. Because I don't want this thing to bother you, okay?
Well, it's not bothering me. The only thing that's getting to me is the insult that this guy has heaped on my personality. Anyway, let's wait and see. Look, you've just come back. Let's go into the house. Come on, Jim. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo.
After you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Honestly, I don't know what came right.
Pay me respect. Really, I don't understand. I really don't understand. But please, I still apologize on his behalf. He will soon come to take his wife when he must have calmed down.
Yes, now. As Trukun.
What do you mean by that?
Yes, God. Your son has now become the Almighty, while my daughter is now his subject. He beats and punches her at will. This time, he sends her out, and in another, he brings her back. Listen to me. Tell your son that I, Gertrude, will not hesitate to set his car ablaze if he steps into this compound. Go and tell him.
Please. All this is... Please calm down.
Don't just tell me to
all
calm down.
This is
don't tell me to calm down. I've been enjoying this thing for a long time now. What is the meaning of all this? Is he the only man that has been married without a child? If he's so desperate to have a child, let him climb up to God and ask him why he has not given a child. Anyway, God is not mocked. Thank God that he sent my daughter away, not knowing that she's already pregnant. Yes! And let me tell you, she's going to stay in this house and have that child. And your son will come crawling on his knees to beg for that child.
Wait a minute. Did you say pregnant? Your daughter is pregnant. That means I'm going to be a grandmother. God, you are great. Thank you. My Lord, it's not easy. Is it easy? It's not easy. God, you are great. Look, my Lord, I apologize once more. Please, he will come to beg you. Be good. I have a good news for you. Hey!
What news?
I went to Benita's house today. frowning? Or is it because I called her name?
Mama, with due respect, Benita is my wife. If I need reconciliation here, it is my duty to do so.
Hey!
Please, I'm an adult.
Hey! My husband. Enough of this insult. I'll never interfere in your affairs again. Right?
Thank you.
Mr. Impatient Dog, do yourself a favor. Go and see Benita, your wife, that you sent out with pregnancy. Yes!
Mama?
That was the first one. Don't worry, my dear. You know, the quietness of a snake has made children lose their soul. Don't worry. I told you he will come here, crawling, begging on his knees for you to come back. No, please. We have to soft pedal. We should focus on what we want, which is not going back into his life.
Keep quiet. We're holding him at a tight corner now.
Eh? There is nothing he can do. Don't worry. I will teach him how to value a woman.
Yes.
Don't joke with me. In my house. Get out of my house now. Get out before I set you and your car ablaze. As I promised you, get out.
Ma, please.
I said get out.
I have wronged Benita. Please, you have to forgive me. Please.
Look at him.
Please.
You're already crying. Get out! You think I'm not serious? Get out, oh. Get out of my house.
Mom, please. Mom, please. Forgive me. I've wronged her. But I'm on my knees. I'm promising that I will never ever touch her again in my life.
Now put your 2 knees on the ground.
Take ma. Take ma.
Okay. I will forgive you.
Take ma.
On one condition.
Which condition?
To go to the village and bring your kingsmen. Tell them to come and see me.
Okay. I will do that. I will do that, ma. Oh, please, can you allow me to see her for a few seconds?
No! Hell no.
Please now. Please.
Get out! Listen to me. If you don't leave here this minute, you will not see her again in your life.
Please forgive him. You can see how sorry he is.
Sorry, Genny. He's only pretending to be sorry because of what you have in your womb. Don't mind him, I know men.
But Mom, why didn't you allow me to see him? I mean, Padita.
See who? No, I won't allow him. You know what? I don't want to give him the chance to assess her. Let him go. Eh? He will sit for it some other day. Benita,
you have to go to the village. Now that your husband has started coming, he'll be frequenting this place now. And if you stay around, that nuptial and emotional tie will betray you. So you have to leave the town immediately.
Okay. There's no need, Mom. I can handle that. Now that I've seen Hope.
Another thing is this. Both of you will have to exchange your phones. You give Padita your phone and Padita will give you her.
Mom! You think how? Honestly. So, from today onwards, Benita, Padita. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Because you asked me to. So why the sudden change and violence?
The door. Please.
Hello?
Why I told you to be patient with her. If you had, things wouldn't have been as shaky as it is. So what do you intend to do?
Man, I'm so confused. I'm so confused. The mother asked me to come with my kinsman.
She's right. So now all you need to do is go to your father, talk to him, he'll help you organize things.
Ralph, I better not go to my father because he's red hot at my attitude towards Benita. But Ralph, you can talk to her on my behalf. You're my friend. I know she respects you a lot. Please, I don't know, just try and see how you can talk to her into coming back to me. I'm positive that she loves me. She's only waiting for a click, that's all.
Okay, I'll talk to her. I'll invite her over to this place and talk to her. I would have loved to go to her place, but I wouldn't like to lose my head. No, so, I'll talk to her.
Thank you so much if you do that. Done me a great day.
Do that, all I want you to do for me is give me the head of John.
You must be insane.
Just let me go, please. Okay. What about your drink?
No. Okay, thank you. You see me off, huh?
Hello, Benny. This is Ralph on the line.
Who is Ralph?
Benny, you mean you don't have my number in your phone?
Oh, please forgive me. How you doing?
I'm fine. And you? I actually want to, you know, say I heard what happened and I'm really very sorry. I mean, how callous my friend could be.
Oh, that was in the past now.
Oh, thank God you reasoned this way. I would like to see you tomorrow in my place for something very important.
I hope it's not for the issue of harm.
Oh, not at all, not at all, not at all. Far away from that.
Okay. See you in the morning.
Alright, see you. Take care of yourself, huh?
Bye, dear.
Yeah.
He said his name is Raf. He wants to see me tomorrow and that I think he's one of Dillian's friends.
That's my husband's best friend. You can't go there.
Don't bother yourself, okay? I promise him I'll come in the morning. Just describe how he looks and what he needs. I'll go there and handle it.
I think I have to speak to your house.
Okay then.
The devil has used me. God. How could you allow the devil to use me like this? Benita, please come back. I still love you. Please, God. God. Please, forgive me. Forgive me. I'm not even bothering to mention your name. Because I stopped worshiping them when it became obvious that I couldn't have his child. Now the devil has used me. I have realized that you did not forsake me. Rather, you tested my faith. Please, God, now that you have given me a child, I will worship you all the days of my life. I will love you. I just pray that this child becomes a son. God, please, let it be a son. What have you come here to do?
Please, brother, you've got to help me, please.
Look, I don't know what your problem is and I don't want to know. Get out of my house now. Get out!
Please. Yesterday, I noticed that my wife Benita was pregnant before I sent her home.
And then? What do you want me to do about it? What?
I went to the house to ask her back, but the mother said no.
That serves you right. That serves you right!
Please, I want to see if there is any way you come with me to their house. I know if the mother sees your face, she will have a change of mind and give me back Benita. Please, you have to help me.
Dillian, you're stupid. You must be out of your mind to think that I, Michael, will go out there and solicit for you after all the insults you heaped on my personality. I warned you, but you would not listen. You thought life was one straight fun road. Maybe this will help prove you wrong. Get out of my house.
Please, my dear brother. I know I have wronged God and man, especially you. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me, please.
You want me, Michael, to forgive you? That I should forgive you? Have you forgotten that you said I tied your wife's womb?
That was a mistake.
Have you also forgotten that you said we weren't brothers? That we were from different mothers? Stand up and get out of my house! Get out of my house!
Please,
My daughter-in-law, we want you to be here because what we have come is to know how we can call back the insult my son poured on your face. Actually, he has expressed to us how sorry he is. But we reasoned it will be good if he does the same before the person he offended directly, and that is you, my daughter.
Mama, I'm very sorry. No, I know that you are not the one that I insulted directly, but I said I must ask you for forgiveness first because you are the mother.
Am I the one you offended?
No, I know that you are not the one I offended directly, but I said I must ask you for forgiveness first because you are the mother.
That has no relevance. That is Benita. Go and apologize to her. Well, I have also had time to talk with my daughter. We have forgiven you.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
It is said, if there is no sin, there will be no forgiveness.
Mama, thank you. God will bless you. Sister, God will bless you.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, my in-laws. This shows that this is a very good Christian family. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, my in-law.
Where will we go? And shall give her 2 days to prepare. Then the husband will come and take her.
Why?
I thought you said you've forgiven him.
Of course I've forgiven him. But I did not say my daughter will live with him again.
Hey!
Yes. Well, let him live in that his palace. And allow my daughter to live here with me in this ghetto until she has her baby. I don't want her to have this miscarriage.
Mama, I have given my word on this. I will never touch her again.
Please.
Benny, I promise I won't touch you again.
No!
My in-law, the only thing that has no solution in this life is death. And yet we bury the dead. We have given you our word. If any such thing happens again, none of us here will come. Now!
Anita, what do you have to say?
Sister, Mom, please let's forgive him. You know, since I came back, I've not been myself.
He's weak.
I love him so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for forgiving me.
Thank you.
That is why it is said, what God has joined together. Let me put that aside.
What name of give this child? Hello, Helen, come. This is what's name? This is Paul. I will name him Springy.
Send me, I want to see me. Okay, send the person. Don't worry. trying to sleep? Yes. Hey, baby. Hey. God is so kind and giving. Huh? How did he know that I needed a son? Hey, glory be to God. Hey. When is your mother coming finally for the week?
She says I should bear with her. That she will continue her duty the way she's doing it now. Come in the morning, perform her duties, then go back for other things. And come back when necessary.
Okay. I understand, so long as she's here when needed.
Pata is always feeling like a baby. She needs someone to be with her. She can't be alone in the house.
But she could go and live with Rose.
Let's calm down, please. Let's talk about another thing.
This boy is very handsome, just like his father. Huh? Yes. He resembles me, that's facially. But the only problem is that he has your color. He's your dark color.
Yes. Baby.
Did you see Gillian's son? He has his nose, his eyes, everything.
Don't worry. When I give birth to this woman, it will surprise you because he is going to be your carbon copy.
And do you know one thing? Gillian is such a lucky man. The child came at the appointed time when he almost lost. Hey, what's it? What's it?
Just load the after.
Maybe walking is no longer good for you.
He worried too much. I'll be fine. Just get me a glass of water.
Take care of
How are you?
Mama, I'm cool. You can see your son is cool. Mama, I'm cool. But Mama, I've been meaning to say this. This country is stagnant. This country, I just can't understand. Since I left this country and now I'm in this country, things are just the same way they were before I left this country. Stagnant. The same today, the same tomorrow, and maybe eternity, the same thing. Mama,
Bill.
Mama, you need to go out and see what's happening overseas.
Bill, that is not our problem now. Anyway, Bill, I want to talk to you about something very important. You see, your father is no more, and you are the only son I have among my children. So, I want you to use this opportunity to look for a wife to marry. I mean, we have good girls here. Look around and choose for yourself a lovely wife. A wife that will give you love, peace, understanding, and a caring wife.
The mom, you worry too much. Huh? It's barely 5 days that I came back to this country, and the topic of our discussion now is marriage.
That is my problem. You know I don't have any other person except you.
I have a surprise for you.
Surprise? What is the surprise? Tell me.
When the time comes now.
No, Bill, tell me now. You know I hate surprises and suspense, so I want you to tell me what is the surprise.
Okay. The mom. Before I left this country, I was dating a girl. I impregnated this girl, Mama.
Pregnanted?
Yes.
But you didn't tell me.
Mama, the whole thing was, it wasn't a planned thing, Mama. And according to my calculation, if my calculations are right, it's 9 months plus now. And that means she must have delivered the baby.
Teacher! Teacher! Are you sure? Mama, come. Mama, you keep saying sure. Have I turned out to... I'm not a joker now, or do I look like a joker? I'm serious, Mama, I'm serious. Okay. I'm serious. I know, Mama, the problem actually was that she informed me about her pregnancy the same day I was waiting for the airport. And really, I didn't take the whole thing serious. But when I got to the US, I tried to reach this girl. I called and called. But she didn't pick my call. Hey! Eventually, the only day she even picked the call, she sounded just like a stranger. Like, who is this? Who is on the line? Mama, you know how things are overseas now. You know, calling somebody all the way from overseas and the person is sounding as if, you know. Anyway, do you know where she lives? Mama, I know where she lives now. Do you know her name? Her name? Yes. Padita. Padi what? Mama, I said Padita. Okay, that means we'll arrange to go and visit her. Mama, we'll go there, but you know, first thing tomorrow morning I'm going to Lagos. Yeah. When I'm back from Lagos, Mama, we'll go for Padita. So, you made a promise now that we'll go and look for her? Definitely, Mama. Okay. Definitely. So, forget this. Worry. I know you're after your grandchildren. I know how you feel, Mama. How do you realize it? I've come to ask you to warn Benita. She's trying to put trouble and fire in this family. Benita, please. Calm down, eh? What is the matter now? Can you believe that she came to my husband's house and asked me when I would be leaving so that she could come in? Can you imagine that? Is that too bad? Mom, our purpose of asking her to go and replace me in my husband's house is to help deliver this child. Now the child is delivered. Is it wrong for me to ask her to go so I can come in and replace and take my position? Unless I forget. Stop using that word, my husband. Hi. Please, my children. We have worked so hard to get this far. Do not let us spoil everything we have passed through all these years because of lack of patience. Please. Daddy. Sorry. Now, Benita. Mom. If you go now and replace her, has it occurred to you that she will hand over this child to you? Yes. So, how do you intend to breastfeed him in the presence of his father if he cries? I'll feed him with none. My child, we are talking out of inexperience. Breastfeeding is very essential for this baby at this stage. Please, just calm down. Let your sister finish her work. So you're not planning with Padita to cheat on me? Mom, I need to go back to my husband's house. I'm tired of being suffering like a spoon now. And you have me suffer like a mother. Look, Padita, if you don't hand over this baby to me and get out of my husband's house, I will go straight to him and tell him you're Padita and not his wife. Do it. Then you see that you succeeded in digging your grave. Then your husband will know that you're nothing but a barren woman. And this child is not his. Let me tell you that. You're calling me a barren woman? Yes, that's what you are. Shut up, both of you. Just shut your mouths up. What is the matter with you? Benita, how can you be so ungrateful to your sister
After all she did for you. Mom, please, Mama, don't tell me anything. Ungrateful fool. Mom, can you see that? Be quiet. I'll go to my husband's house and tell him not to say anything. Party, baby! It's dead, come and give me a hug! Mom, I have to go now. No, you'll soon be back.
Yeah, just come in and you want to leave again.
Yes, there's nobody in the house.
Take things easy with your sister, eh?
Okay, no, I'll sort things out. But just one
Daddy! Bye-bye. I'll come and see you, okay?
Okay.
Take care of people.
Okay,
You're just crying, eh? I'm impressed.
I said
We're here to see the child.
I said I'm Benita.
I'm serious. That is the child.
I said I'm Benita. God knows drum.
Did tell my mom. You download the child already. No? See? Exactly 9 months, I flew back.
I told you I'm not Padita. See Padita here now. She told me that you left her. Is it 1 year ago or 9 months?
So what is happening now?
Bill.
I'm so sorry. I called you. I thought you forgiven me. Huh? Come on. I'll make it up to you. My love.
Don't you dare touch me!
Let's go.
Just take it easy. Okay. Okay. So.
Benny, she's back now.
You're welcome. But thank God she's back now. Hope you're not going to send her out again.
They're not trying.
No. What's happening? You know each other?
No, it's just that I have not seen a woman in your house before, so this is like a surprise.
Oh.
I'm finished.
What was that look between the both of you?
Dora!
Huh?
Talk to me!
I don't know what you're talking about.
Look, if you know what is good for you now, just tell me the truth.
I said I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, you want me to do something stupid now?
I think I have it.
You have what?
Well, when we first met, and you proposed to me, I didn't allow you to touch me because I felt you were not serious. So when I heard Alicia saying that Dillian desperately needed a child, I saw it as an opportunity. I lured him into getting me pregnant. I thought he was going to marry me. And then he became serious and I didn't know. I didn't have the courage to tell you. So I quickly slept with you just to hide my shame. I'm so sorry to tell you this, but Dillian is the father of my unborn child, and I think I have the virus.
I warned you, didn't I? I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. God.
I didn't know it would come to this. Now my future is dicey.
Oh, I don't know. Well, at this stage, there is nothing anyone can do for you. Be grateful to God that you found out about it. It's still early. All I'd advise you to do now is to check your CD4 count regularly and consult with your doctor. He will know what best for you to take to enable you live a fairly normal life like every other normal person.
Brother, I want to say that I'm so sorry for all my misunderstanding. I tried to be a good brother, but
I was so naive. Please, forgive me. Forgive me. Please.
It's alright. It's alright. Just stand up. It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. Don't be consumed by the fact that you're sick. Because from what I heard, it's not the virus that kills, but the mind. The thought that you have the virus. It's alright. It's okay.
It's okay to die.
You're not going to die. It's alright. Look, it's okay. It's alright. Come on, stop this. Stop this. Stop this. It's alright. It's okay. Don't stop this. It's alright. It's okay. Shh, shh, shh. It's alright. Shh, shh.